Hey everyone, this is my review for this thing called Birchbox Man. It's a monthly subscription for like $20 and it's grooming products. So this might not be the best review you'll ever see for two reasons. One of them, my English is not that good, as you see. Second, I'm not into grooming products. So I'll just show you what it brings. I already watched like a couple reviews on the internet. Wasn't like very impressive, but yeah, this is the box. Looks nice. This tells you what it brings. You should. Here's a business card. Was it good for you? You should do whatever. And here's step by step. I think you can get like points and something like that. This is the socks. Like as I said, I watched a couple of the other reviews. All the socks has like bright colors. I don't think any man would wear them. Like I personally wouldn't. So I probably will give this to someone. So this is one thing. And this is soap. If you can see, I wouldn't even try to read it, but yeah. And here, Birchbox. Here there's like two products. This is its cologne sample, which I love, like cologne, so I probably will be using this. And this is facial cleaner. So yes, what I think for the first Birchbox, I was expecting more since it's the first actually Birchbox, and especially it's like $10 more from the female one. It's 20 and the female is 10, so I was expecting more. I don't know, I mean, but yeah, it brought like 4 products and like it's in samples. So hopefully in the next box we'll get like better things, better samples. But yeah, this was my review and thank you for watching.